This is a SnowTrax exclusive.
Here at SnowTrax, we've been working with Taiga since their inception, and we've seen them grow from a startup to a force to be reckoned with. And recently I was given the opportunity to tour their new production facility and see all this innovation firsthand. Now, it hasn't always been easy for Taiga. The world of powersports manufacturing can be a challenge, but they have persevered and continue to move forwards.
What we're seeing here is the model year 26 Taiga Nomad. This is a fully electric snowmobile that we build here in Montreal, Canada, from a technology that we've entirely developed in-house. And where that really starts is, the core of the vehicle, it's the chassis. What we use is a fully aluminum chassis that's been designed by Taiga to really optimize the weight characteristics and the stiffness of the entire assembly. So what we do actually is we combine the use of 5052 aerospace grade sheet metal with reinforced castings up in the front of the vehicle. We use some automotive grade adhesive technology to assemble these parts together, so we get away from the heat and distortion that comes with welding that you would typically see. So what happens here at Taiga is we actually build 100% electric vehicles, and that's our core specialty. So we didn't adapt our electric powertrain to an existing chassis or anything like that. We really designed this entire vehicle to be electric from the ground up. What that means is we've been able to integrate our patented tractive unit into the chassis to have a direct drive via simple timing belt. So as you can see here, it's very well integrated. We have all of the supporting thermal systems very closely packaged. That means for the user is that the powertrain is really quite compact, and it leaves kind of a lot of room to work on the vehicle and to be able to move around.
The chassis, suspension, and just the whole Nomad overall is a beautiful product and works incredibly well. But at the heart of this is the battery, and Taiga builds their own.
So this battery that we manufacture here in Montreal, based on I'd say quite high performance NMC cell technology. So we integrate that into the battery pack, which has been designed by Taiga. And we even have our own automated assembly line here, which assembles these individual cells into modules. So that makes it possible to package the cells in a very compact format. And we have this cooling system that interleaves itself within each cell to run coolant across the cell face. Once again, what that means for the user is very quick heat up time on the battery and very good thermal performance, which means you won't hit any kind of thermal derating or power loss if you're really running the machine hard. When we came into this, we thought, users, when they're thinking about snowmobiles, they need high amounts of power for, a couple minutes at a time, perhaps, to get up difficult terrain. So we really came at this with a kind of performance-first mindset. But, being able to package this into our own envelope is we found a way to do this quite cost-effectively, and it's lightweight. That's really the advantage of having done everything in-house.
Now, on top of the impressive battery capabilities and the fact that they build it right in-house is the other half of the drive system. That is the tractive unit.
When we got into the Nomad development, once again, we thought about how do we do this with a performance-first mindset, but also thinking about how are the users going to use this vehicle in their day-to-day. Sometimes it's not all about raw continuous power, but it's about fine control. If you're either a novice or you're just trying to maneuver the vehicle in a difficult space, you don't want the RPM running out of you. So what we've done here is we've taken control of the entire driveline from end to end, from throttle to motor. And actually our motor, we actually call it a tractive unit because it's more than just a motor. It's motor technology and an inverter technology that's combined into one single compact unit. This unit weighs, it's about 25 kilos and it can output as much as 120 kilowatts, which is about 160 to 180 horsepower. Each and every Nomad is connected to the cloud, which means you can track your vehicle on the Taiga app. You can define how the vehicle is going to be driven. So if, let's say, you're a fleet owner or you're a parent lending the vehicle to your kid or something, you can have the confidence that you know how that vehicle is going to be operated, and you can even track where it is. So whether you're owning one Nomad or 100, you can really use the Taiga app to manage your fleet and really have this precise control of how your vehicles are going to be used.
After many years of testing Taiga snowmobiles here at SnowTrax, they've not just produced an electric snowmobile, they've produced an incredibly good electric snowmobile with the ride, handling, and performance that you'd expect in this industry.
Make sure to subscribe and comment below for real interaction with the SnowTrax crew.